Create perfect loose or floating tenon joints with the Rutlands Loose Tenon Jig, a precision-engineered system that brings machine-quality results to any router. It turns a traditionally specialist joint into a simple, repeatable process. The template holder glides smoothly on stainless steel rods and locks securely in place with the intuitive ratchet handle. Laser-etched reference lines and large central pointers make alignment fast and easy. The brass guide bush follows the clear polycarbonate template to cut accurate, repeatable mortises exactly where you need them. The supplied template cuts a 10mm wide mortise to suit standard tenons, and the length can be increased simply by overlapping cuts. It also includes 10 10mm beech tenons and a 1/2-inch TCT router bit. For added capability, the optional doweling attachment converts the jig into a precise doweling system. Hardened steel guide bushes in 6, 8 and 10mm ensure accurate, repeatable drilling with laser-etched markings for quick alignment. Accurate, reliable and built to last, the Rutlands Loose Tenon Jig brings professional-grade jointing to any workshop.